Aura digital photo frames have become popular smart home devices, but understanding how they store and handle your personal data is crucial for protecting your privacy. Aura frames are digital photo displays that connect to your home Wi-Fi network and sync photos from cloud services to create rotating slideshows of your memories. Aura frames store your personal data in three key locations. First, photos are cached locally on the device's internal memory for quick display. Second, your photos are synchronized with Aura's cloud service, which links them to your user account for access across multiple devices. Third, the frame stores network credentials, including your Wi-Fi password and connection settings to maintain internet connectivity. Clearing your Aura frame data is essential in several common scenarios. When gifting your frame to family or friends, you want to ensure your personal photos don't remain accessible. If you're reselling your frame, removing all personal data protects your privacy and gives the new owner a clean device to set up with their own photos. When disposing of your frame, secure data deletion prevents anyone from potentially recovering your personal photos and information. There are two main approaches to clearing data from your Aura frame. A factory reset restores the device to its original manufacturer settings, removing user data and returning the frame to setup mode. A data wipe is more comprehensive, overwriting storage areas multiple times to prevent any possibility of data recovery. This provides maximum security for sensitive information. In 2025, proper data clearing has become more critical than ever. Growing privacy concerns highlight that most users don't properly reset their smart devices before disposal. Updated data protection regulations now require complete data removal from connected devices, making proper reset procedures a legal necessity in many regions. Modern Aura frames include enhanced security features like stronger encryption and secure deletion capabilities, making proper data clearing both easier and more effective. Understanding these data storage locations and clearing methods ensures you can confidently protect your privacy when transferring, selling, or disposing of your Aura frame. There are three reliable methods to factory reset your Aura frame. Each method completely clears your personal data and returns the device to its original setup state. Method 1 uses the Aura mobile app. This is the most convenient option if you still have the app installed and your frame is connected to your account. Open your Aura app and select the frame you want to reset. Navigate to Frame Settings, then look for either Factory Reset or Remove Frame option. Confirm the action when prompted. Method 2 uses the physical reset button located on the back of your frame. This works even when the app is unavailable or the frame is disconnected from your account. Here you can see the back of an Aura frame. The reset button is a small pinhole located on the back panel. You'll need a paperclip or similar small tool to press it. Method 3 is available on newer Aura frame models that have touchscreen interfaces. You can access the reset function directly through the frame's built-in settings menu. Touch the frame screen to access settings, then navigate through Settings, System, and finally Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Before performing any reset, complete this important checklist. Backup photos you want to keep, note your custom settings, and remove the frame from your account if you're giving it away. During the reset process, your frame will display a factory data reset message and show restarting. The screen may go black temporarily before returning to the initial setup screen. After the reset completes, verify success by checking that the frame shows the initial setup screen, no previous photos are accessible, and Wi-Fi credentials have been cleared. Your Aura frame is now completely reset and ready for new setup. All personal data has been cleared, and the device is in its original factory state, safe for gifting or resale.